Welcome everyone, it's Foster here. Are you one of those people who constantly looks for a job opportunity in the market, but to no avail, nothing is coming your way? You continuously apply day in, day out. When days turns into months and months turns into years, and you have long gone forget that you have been a graduate, but there is no job opportunity that comes to your way. Let me tell you, it's not your problem. The truth of the matter is, there is an imbalance between the job opportunities and the number of graduates and people who are looking for jobs. Don't give your problem to someone else, nor to the market. The market now needs a broader view, a different view. Continuously applying and expecting different results might be a problem. Albert Einstein once said, sanity is doing one thing over and over again, expecting different results. The truth is, even if you change your location, you might think that crossing borders, relocating to another country may change the situation. But the truth is, answers lies within you. The Joker was once quoted saying,
"If you're good at something, never do it for free."
Some of you are good at advising, some of you are good at mentoring, but all you need or all you are doing is giving it for free. Lest you are continuously looking for a job and the job market is saturated. Long gone did we know that being a graduate university was special, and we were raised in this situation and this society where we think being a graduate is so special. But the honest truth is, you are not special anymore. We are living in a 21st century where the revolution needs job creators rather than job seekers. What if I tell you that there is a better solution, a backdoor rather, because I don't want to be caught being a bearer of saying bad things? There is a solution of killing 3 birds with 1 stone, but it needs you as an individual. It needs to understand what you know is best. Imagining employing yourself, owning a business, at the same time unlocking the potential of the income that you may have. Unlike a situation where you are employed and the income may be pegged according to the way you work, you receive so much. Let's think outside the box. Let's combine our knowledge. We have been to school, that's true. But is it not good to ride on the non-knowledge? Is it not good to look for opportunities when there is none? Now the world and the market demands people with an eye of an eagle, those people who sees opportunity from a distance. We need to start thinking big, but start acting small. Or start acting small while it's unlocking all the potentials out there. It might be good or wise if we come up together as graduates. Imagining graduates from diversified knowledge coming up together, creating a business idea. I would rather call it a bomb. It will explode. Before you know it, you will be employers. Before you know it, you will be CEO of some sort. You will own a certain share of a business unit, and at the same time creating a legacy. This world is no longer a world where we need to complain, because as I've said and indicated before, the job market is not the problem itself, but the ratio between the job seekers and the opportunities is not equal. Just imagine each and every year, thousands and thousands of universities are graduating. Lest you understand, 3 years, 4 years down the line, there are fresh university graduates that are coming. At the same time, there are people with experience that are losing their jobs. Okay, here's the thing. There are boys in your own court. I'm not saying don't look for a job. It's up to you to decide. And I'm not also saying just focus on creating a business or a legacy. lest you understand the whole video, you would figure out which part you want to take and which part you want to follow. Before I go, let me say, there are companies out there who are utilizing attaches as employees. Now that you are a graduate, there is no opportunity for you. So you need to think the angle which you may take. Looking for a job or creating an opportunity for someone else. But the Bible says, the hand that gives is the hand that receives more than the hand that... Creating an opportunity and changing people's lives might be the way to go. But also, working for someone, is, if that is what you want, might also be the way to go. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. Please subscribe, share, and hit a like. Thank you.